Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make digital rain or matrix code. To do this, open notepad, then type at echo of pause color 0 a mode 1000. Start. Do what I'm doing. You have to type in what I'm writing. Echo, then type in 1 0 1 0 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. Then you copy and paste these digits. Echo, you copy and paste the binary. Echo, you have to do everything that I'm doing there for your digital code to work, for your matrix code to work. You can type in maybe 5 lines. Echo, 1 2 3 4 5. Let's add some. The last one. Yeah. Then space. Go to start. Then save it as a bat file. You can type in any name that you want, but let's type it digital rain. Digital rain .bat. Save. Then we can close our notepad. Then let's go to where our file is saved. Our file is saved here, so let's open it to see if it's going to work. You see, when you open our bat file, it open a CMD, so it's saying press any key to continue. You see, Simple like that. That's it, guys. So subscribe for more tutorials, and you can like the video if you have learned something. Yes, this is it. It's simple. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace.